To create a robotic or synthesized voice effect in Audacity, you'll need to use the vocoder effect. This process blends your voice with another sound to create that classic robotic tone. Let's go through the steps. First, make sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. Once your voice track is ready, you'll need a second track to act as the carrier sound. Go to Tracks, then Add New, and then click Stereo Track to create a new layer. This track will shape how your voice sounds after vocoding. A simple option is to generate white noise, which gives a traditional robotic sound. To do this, go to Generate and select Noise, and click OK. Now, make sure the noise track lines up with your voice track so they start and end at the same time. Play both tracks together to check alignment, then select everything by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Next, open the vocoder effect. Go to Effect, then Distortion and Modulation, and click on Vocoder and start with the default settings. The number of bands controls how clear or distorted the effect sounds. A higher band count keeps more detail from your original voice, while a lower number creates a more robotic tone. Once you're happy with the settings, you can click Apply. Before playing the audio, you can turn the volume of the noise track all the way down because that won't affect your effect. Now, hit play and listen to your effect.
First, make sure that you have Audacity open. If your microphone is not working or you cannot hear the playback through your headphones, start by going to the menu bar and clicking on Audio Setup.
That is it. That's how you can vocode in Audacity. Thanks for watching.